Thank you very much, our distinguished guests. With that, the inaugural session is now open. Thank you very much. I'll now welcome Shri Naveen Raheja to kindly come and make the welcome remarks.
Not have seen that thought process and activity and action going into real estate, which has happened during his tenure. He has dedicatedly and very, very sincerely involved into almost all the issues which have betrayed our countrymen from getting to the issues have been talking was that the common man is not able to buy a house in this country. And all bylaws and acts, they are outdated, they were made in early 60s. And because of those reasons,
everywhere there are similar things.
See, the problem is, उसको ले रहा है investor. वो बोलता है भाई साहब किस्तें मैं दूंगा जब वहाँ प्रीमियम आएगा. हाँ. होल्ड करके बैठा हुआ है. Stock is stuck in middle. Somewhere. So the point is, he is stuck. The investor is stuck. अब उसको कैसे हमने consumer बनाना है? He is an investor. उसको कैसे consumer बनाना है? That is the government's job.
Toya Developers, Shri Vineet Relia ji, Chief Operating Officer Sare Homes, Shri Amit Oberoi ji, National Director Colaris International, Shri Harmeet Chawla ji, Managing Director H Corp Realty, Shri Sachin Gulati ji, Head Valuation India Strategic Consulting Group, John Lang Leslie, Shri Ruchir Sharma ji, Head Debt and Private Equity in Real Estate, Nisit Desai Associates, Shri Saurabh Agrawal ji, Management Consultant Real Estate. Now we are starting the session, panel discussion on critical issues and future direction for orderly development of real estate sector.
Very good afternoon for the next session. This session, I would say that although we are talking about it as a panel discussion, but I would say that it is a interactive session, which we can just simply call a session wherefrom we are going to conduct wherever necessary as a panel discussion, information exchange, as well as there will be presentations also on this. We are having a very good panel on this. On my left, Shri P.S. Rana Saab, he is former Chairman and Managing Director HUDCO and currently CMD of Panthera Developers. Then we have Shri Vineet Relia, Chief Operating Officer, Sare Homes. This is one of the most prominent FDI funds, which is purely FDI fund and doing housing in Gurgaon and probably in some other part also, in 7 cities in the country. Then we have Shri Amit Oberoi Saab. He is National Director Colliers International. So we get a lot of experience and a lot of information from them. Shri Harmeet Chawla, Managing Director H Corp Realty Private Limited. And Shri Sachin Gulati, Head Valuations India Strategic Consulting Group JLL. Shri Ruchir Sinha, Head Debt and Private Equity in Real Estate, Nishit Desai Associates. And Shri Saurabh Agrawal, Managing Consultant, real estate. So we have, I think, veterans like Mr. Rana on the table, and then we have people like Ruchir Sinha who are handling even the current proposal on introduction of REIT also in the country. So we have from across all segments the experts on the dais. I would say that according to the availability of the time, we will try to limit each speaker to 5 to 7 minutes, and then we will like to have some questions also. I think that also is to be balanced, because this may not be really useful unless we are able to give some information or give some answers to persons who have all attended this session. And the session is aimed at addressing critical issues and future direction for orderly development of real estate sector. So critical issues, I think if we look at today, it is about money. We have a lot of people who are on the table who are going to talk about money. Then the issues which were related to the complexities of process of clearances and all, although I think there are not much competent people on the dais other than Mr. Rana who can talk about it. And then we have issues about various other challenges which are coming by way of skill